Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a bit different as you can tell by the title. I'm doing my Instagram followers decide what to plan in a day. It is actually very exciting to have you guys decide for me so I don't have to. So let's see what you guys make me to do today. The votes are here and 69% of you guys decided how to plan. That's great, but first I'm gonna ask you guys if I should film a Q&A first or talk about planner function. So you guys voted for planner function and I'm going to talk about planner function first. There are a lot of planner or journal function and today I will tell you the common ones. The first one is daily records like 1 page a day. It can be a diary too. If your daily routine does not need to be recorded in detail, you may wish to use a weekly record. The second function is college journal. There are different styles for that such as girly, vintage, retro and so on. The third function is watching and reading records. You may jot down your review, feeling, experience after watching the movies or after reading the books. Moving on, the most common purpose is planning. This includes a work plan, study plan, life plan, etc., which can be subdivided into a daily plan, weekly plan, monthly plan, annual plan, and so on. The fifth one is food records. You may write down any recipes, food that you ate, your favorite restaurant, etc. Next is the travel planner. You may plan the itinerary before traveling. Write down your experience and signature spots during traveling as well as the summary and thoughts after traveling. The last one is about parenting. You may jot down your pregnancy records, baby growth records, etc. Since most of you voted how to plan for the first poll, I would like to ask what style you all prefer the most. So you guys voted for art journaling and I'm so happy. For preparations, you will need a notebook or journal or even planner, any types you will do, and then some color pens, highlighter, a ruler, a glue or double tape, and then washi tapes, clear stamps, and also some art decorations like die cuts, stickers, receipts, movie tickets, photo of the days, and so on. First, you can write down the important things on this side, and on the other side, the blank space on the right can be decorated with receipts, movie tickets, and the art decoration that you have. First, you can use a pen to write down the date and the day on the journal. For the date, I use a clear stamp, but if you want to save some time, you can use a pen. Next, you can draw a line on the middle of the page. On this side, you can write down what to do at each time, and the blank space on the right can be decorated with receipts, movie tickets, and photo of the days or magazine clips that you have collected. Besides, you can mark the priority list with highlighters or marker pens. And now I'm going to decorate the blank space on the right with receipt and some photo of the days that I printed out just now.
I've been held up in this city for a while due to the rain.
Oh, I see. So as soon as it stops raining, you'll leave.
I hope that the rain will never stop.
What?
If it continues, I'll be able to stay here forever. That wasn't meant to be a joke.
For the previous giveaway, the entry period just closed and I drew one lucky winner for it. And the winner was Aisha Safia. Congratulations on winning this special giveaway. And for the rest of you guys, I really wish I could send y'all something cool. I very appreciate everyone who has subscribed, who watched my videos. I couldn't have done this without you. And I really hope that you will continue to watch my video, comments and interact, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.